So because the Micra is an older vehicle, it does not come with a DAB stereo. And I'll be honest with you, I rather like this original period correct Blaupunkt. Now, it's not the exact model that was an optional extra for this particular year of K11, but it is from the same manufacturer and it is the same kind of head unit. It's basically a rather sort of primitive satellite navigation head unit where you would put in a I'm not sure if it's a DVD or CD, but it is from the sort of Travel Pilot series of Blaupunkt head units from this era. Now, I rather like, I'll be honest with you, Radio 4 Extra, which is a DAB station. So for a very small outlay, I've acquired this little device. It costs me about £10 off of eBay, so bargains are available. The aerial I've looped under the ashtray, as you can see there. That goes all the way under the glove box and up to the aerial here. This bit I need to secure properly. There's a little copper bit on the aerial which needs to make contact with the bodywork because it acts as an earth for the aerial, and that I've managed to sort of just pop down there to a bit on the actual windscreen itself where there is a metal bracket of some description, and the end result is something that will allow me to be able to listen to Radio 4 Extra as well as other DAB stations as and when appropriate. The total modification time was probably around, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Most of that time was spent just routing the aerial cable, but not bad. Quite pleased with the results. Anyway, thank you for watching.